In line with the commemoration of Africa Day, we zoom into the Mountain Kingdom, where a primary school teacher in the rural part of the Moralo district, Mr. Atang Chalo, has created an online learning audio-visual application, Moralo was Sesotho. The aim is to rectify an issue where a significant number of preschool to primary level pupils in Sesotho have shown a lack of knowledge in reading and writing in the Sesotho language. Sadak 360's Shompolitie had a conversation with Mr. Chalo.
Mr. Chalo says the idea to develop this application came about upon realizing that most parents procure his services to tutor their children of various school levels in basic reading and writing in the Sesotho language. He says some teachers in the secondary and high schools have complained that they have to teach a part of the Sesotho curriculum, which should be taught at a primary level.
Firstly, I wrote the book, Moralo wa Sesotho, meaning is Sesotho Foundation, it to assist the parents to help their children at home. I noticed that some parents are not able to read, so I decided to change that book into app to assist from grade 1 learning. They will have the communication with the app. Sesotho as our native language paves the way to English. For one to know English, especially here in our rural areas, he has to know the native language first.
Mr. Chalo says the drop in reading and writing in Sesotho is a symptom of lack of foundational education, which became obvious in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, when pupils had to learn using applications which predominantly use the English language.
Could we say that our students from 2020 maybe to 2024 failed to learn the language because most applications were much easier to use in English, not in Sesotho?
For that one of COVID-19, that has been caused by learners' lack foundation. If they had that foundation, I think that was not going to be a challenge to them. And that app, when a learner is pressing the letters in it, it gives sound. When pressing B, it will say B. When pressing A according to our language, it will say A. Apart from that, SE, it sounds say, even in English, it sounds like that. Meaning, we can say this language, they are integrating somewhere and somehow.
Still in commemoration of Africa Day, this Saturday, Mauritius will focus on the integral part it plays in driving Africa's economic growth. Mauritius is one of the largest sources